Accidentally running over an exposed wire while mowing your lawn is stressful, but it's not the end of the world if you handle it right. First, always make sure the power to that area is completely turned off before you touch or try to fix anything. Safety first, you know? If the wire is actually live, wrapping it up with electrical tape alone won't cut it long term. You want to carefully inspect the wire for any breaks or exposed copper. If it's just a scrap piece like you thought, pulling it out and tossing it is fine. But if it's connected to anything important, you'll want to use proper wire connectors or wire nuts after wrapping with electrical tape to ensure no moisture or dirt gets in. Silicone sealant on top can help waterproof the repair once the connection is secure. If you're unsure about what kind of wire it is or how to fix it, calling a professional electrician is always the safest bet. And next time, maybe mow a little slower around those sketchy spots or trim tall grass first so you can see what's on the ground. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with damaged outdoor wires is ignoring safety and not turning off power, which can lead to electric shock or worse. Another common issue is thinking that just wrapping the wire with electrical tape will be enough. It actually needs a secure connection and proper sealing to prevent future shorts or corrosion. Lastly, people often assume all wires are live and panic, but sometimes they are just scrap wires left behind. Pulling those out carefully can save you headaches. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle repairs safely and correctly. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with clients who need their skills on big home improvement jobs.